Okay, let's start the meeting. Thanks a lot to all the people who have joined today, right? I know it's Saturday and some of you are sitting in the classes and thanks a lot for taking out the time. Thanks the college to give us the permission to, help you out and organize the seminar, right? So we'll start. Okay, so let me start with my introduction and then I just want to have some of your introductions. Like if you can just put on the chat from which branch you are, which stream you are in right now, and which year, right? So that will work so that we can get a clear idea. So hi all, this is Bhavishya, and I'm an IT Kanpur graduate. I graduated from IT Kanpur in 2019, and in my college career and after the career, I have worked a lot in tech, right? So my major focus was on artificial intelligence, right? So right after the college, I worked as a senior data scientist in Bajaj Finserv, where we, worked on a lot of AI technologies like NLP and all the things. And in college time also, I've worked in a lot of, AI and software development things. I've done a lot of internships. So got a good exposure in all these kind of technologies, right? And I've counseled more than 500 students about these technologies and, how to crack all these good jobs, correct? So this is my little bit of introduction. Cool. So just wanted to have, if you can put on the chat, all of you, if you can give your, uh, the year you are in right now and which branch you are in college. So it's, hi, Mohit. It's Raja. You are from third year computer engineering students. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sheikh. Thank you, Raja. Uh, please, please, student, let's, make this session interactive so that, we can take, like a lot of information from this. So I will ask few questions from you all guys, and you can put on the chat the answers so that, it will be a little bit interactive. So I guess Manikanta, Mudana, Atharv, Himasri, Nagendra, Charam, Harshini, Suhasini, Deepika. Please, can you introduce yourself in the chat? Hi, Charan. You are from third year CSE. Thanks. Bhavna, Akhil, Kesan Kurti, Lalita, Arun. Hi, Samir. You are from first year student CSE stream. Okay. Mehul, you are from second year CSE. That's great. Sakib is from artificial intelligence machine learning. Great. You are from second year. Great. Thank you, Sakib. Then, guys, waiting for more answers, right? Because you have also joined, you have taken out the time. So, no, this time should be useful. So, Priya, Pratik, Monica, Varun, Raja, Kondi. I guess we have a lot of students right now who have joined. Hi. So, please introduce yourself. Rabula, Kondi, Jaydeep. Some of you can unmute yourself and tell also. That is also fine. Hi, Ajay. You are from third year CSE. Thanks. Just two, three more answers, then we'll move forward. So that just I have a clear idea. So till now, I've got the idea that we have first year students, we have second year students also, we have third year students also, all from majorly CSE background. Hi, Bhanu. Third year CSE. Okay, great. Ishwar, Mamidi, Wasim. I guess more people are joining us. Varsha, Wasim. Meghna. Come on, guys, three, four more answers, and then we'll move forward. From which year you are in right now and stream. Hi, Vinita. Vinita Devika is from third year CSE. Okay, thanks, Vinita. Come on, we have a lot of people joining right now and very few introductions. Madhav. Hi, Madhuri. She's from third year CSE. Okay, so I got a major chunk is majorly, I guess, from third year CSE students, right? Hi, Naini Samiridi. GDSC lead, people are still joining. Okay. So we'll wait for 2 minutes more and then we can start. Till then, more people can introduce themselves. Hi, Himasri, you are from third year CSE. Hi. Ishwar, third year. Monica, third year. Okay. So how many of you are from first year here? Just say yes. I guess a lot of students I've got that they are from third year. Anyone you from first year? Hi, Pratik. Great. You are from third year CSE. Okay. Anybody from first year or second year here? Just say yes on chat so that I can know that you are also present. Yeah, I got it. Mehul, right? Mehul is from second year. Sakib is from second year. Harshini is from second year. Okay. Hemlata is from second year CSE. One is Zoom user. I don't know the name. Hi, Deepika. Good afternoon. You are from third year CSE. Okay. There's a name called Zoom user. I couldn't call the name, but yeah, he's from first year. Then it's Rama Lakshmi. He's from third year. Okay. Hi, you are from first year. Cool. Cool. So I guess we can start the session. Okay. A lot of people have joined currently. So I've got the mix reviews that you are someone from first year, someone from second year, someone from third year, someone has just started the college. You are in little dilemma what to do in their life. If a people are in third year, they are majorly focused on, you have to crack a good job, correct? And you need to be very much serious. So I get to know that there are different kind of people. Okay. So coming to my next question, all the people who are present here, first year, second year, third year, can all of them. What is your dream company? What is your dream company that you want to get a job? For right now, don't think about anything. Just a dream company. Don't think that how is it possible? How will it be possible if he's coming or not? Just your dream, right? I just want to know about the dream. Okay, two people have said Google. I need more answer now. Quick. Sakib, Microsoft. Okay, he's a GDS lead, so he's saying Google. Okay. Ganga, IJ, Charan is saying Netflix. Very good. One is Zoom user, he's saying Microsoft/Google. Okay. So three for Google, four for Google, one for Netflix, one Microsoft. Come on, more. We are 60 plus students. You must have some dreams, right? I guess they are majorly third year students, so you must be clear about that thing till now. That what dream company you want to enter, right? Come on, people, more. Uh, Only Google, Microsoft. Microsoft is one people. Then it's Netflix. Should I call out the name? Just say about your dream, right? Why to hesitate in that? No matter if you can achieve or not, or but just there must be some dream companies of yours, right? That you want to enter into that. Ishwar is saying Amazon. Chalo ek aaya. One person from for Amazon. Okay, Apple. Nice. Amazon. Himanshu is saying Amazon. Madhuri is saying Amazon. Google. Okay. More people. Google and Microsoft. What happened? Like only 20 or 30 people are dreaming here, kya? Nobody else is having some dream. Rajesh is saying Samsung. That's great. I guess new company Samsung, and it's also a big company. Great, Raja. Varun is saying TCS. Okay. Surya, Tejasvi, what is K? K stands for? Varun got it. TCS you have. Bhanu is saying Amazon, Samsung. Cool. So I guess majorly the students are favor for Google. Okay. Then it comes to Amazon, then Apple, then Microsoft, then Samsung, things like that. Right. So we all have some dreams. I got to know that you like it's a good thing. Like I've taken a lot of seminars. Some persons are not telling about their dream, right? If you are not dreaming that, then you can't achieve that. That is for sure. Right. So you need to first think about that. You need to dream that. Only then you can achieve. And there is no harm to dream those companies. Like nowadays they are taking from you all guys only. So let me tell you the scenario right now in the market, right? In the current Zoom market is like everybody is focusing on skills right now, right? the like if we were talking about like 5 to 6 years back, right? The major focus of colleges were like in these big companies were they wanted good colleges, right? Tier 1 colleges like IITs, NITs. They were going there, they were hiring there, and there were a lot of bureaucracy involved in that. But now the things have completely changed, completely. Now they all are focusing on skills. You can be a Googler or say Noogler, right? Noogler, you can be in Amazon, you can be in Microsoft if you have skills. They don't, no matter which college you are in right now. That is for sure. So if you are not aware of this till now, you should be aware now. Everybody who is sitting here, everybody who is attending this session, anybody can crack these jobs. You are eligible for that. The only thing is you need to be skilled for that. Now these companies have removed every eligibility criteria. If you are a college student, if you are a BTech students, right, then you can, like, you are eligible to crack these jobs. Okay. So we have talked about what is your dream company. I got it. It's Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and all like things. So can you give me a median salary range of a software developer, if we talk about in India? What is the median salary range of a software developer in India? Or you can tell about your dream. One is saying 10 LPA, okay. 7 LPA. More people. Sakib is saying 12 LPA. One is 10. Ranges from 6 to 10. 10, 15. 12 to 15. 30 LPA. Roshan is saying 30 LPA. One is saying 50 LPA. Okay. It's saying 15 to 20 LPA. 50 LPA. 1 CR. Okay. Okay. So I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. We'll go through some things and then we'll discuss about that. We have some stats for you to know about what is the, right around the ranges of software development that is going on right now. Correct. Everybody can see my screen, right? My screen is visible to all? Yes. So can you? Yes. So you can see that, right now the 25th percentile of software engineer in Greater Bangalore, if I am talking about Bangalore itself, it is around 16 lakhs, right? And I'm talking about the 1/4, the starting of 1/4. Like everybody has, I guess got median and mode idea, right? The quartiles and all. So if you, yeah, your guess is correct. It was around 15 LPA in Bangalore. If we talk about India, correct? If we talk about India here, it is around 11 LPA kind of thing. The maximum can be like above 90% is can be, but yeah, 11 LPA to 15 LPA, you can say is a, general range where you can get a software developer job easily in India. And I am talking about the lower 25%, not the median and all, lower 25% of the student, correct? So we got the idea that, you all can achieve this much of job, but what it takes to, get to this kind of job? Will every one of you can crack this job? Everybody of you have those skills with you, right? What it takes to, when you are not from that tier 1 colleges, what it needs to show to these companies that you are eligible for these, right? You are capable for these things, right? We are here to talk about this right now, that what all things you should need to do to, crack these kind of companies, correct? So talking about this order, okay. So I'm just showing you one website. Okay. Just let me know if it's visible or not. Okay. Everybody can see the website, correct? This website. Now, what is the difference you are feeling here? Is this a website of Flipkart? Flipkart clone. Okay, one is. So what is the major difference? Can anybody point out that difference? Mishra special. Yes. Everybody can say Mr. Plus, right? So can you see the website, right? Is it? It is almost similar, right? It is almost similar to like if you go to a Flipkart website, it is almost similar to that. If you are if you removed all the ads or something, right? Now coming to this one, which website it is? It is. Do you feel like which company's website it is? Zoom. Everybody has seen the Zoom website, right? Do you think it's a clone or it's a original website? Can you tell the difference? Clone, but it is quite close, right? Got it. So now imagine the situation. Okay. You are sitting in one of the company's interview, let's say Flipkart and all. These are product companies. These are good companies right now. And, they are giving a lot of money to the software developer. If you are going to these, interview of these companies, okay, and you are showing this kind of thing, right? If you are going to a Flipkart interview and you are showing this website to them, right? You are showing this website that you have made a clone of that. What do you think? Like, what will be the reaction of the interviewer? People, what do you think? How do the interviewer react? Right? He will be mind blown. Correct? Yeah, he will be very much impressed. Because the thing is, if you are like giving a presentation of that, right, and like you are interviewing that, and he has seen that you have closely observed this website and you have cloned it by yourself. So it itself, upsteps you from everyone. Like it immediately upsteps you from other candidates. It immediately, like, he has a mindset that, right, I want to shortlist this student. So, there is one thing when you are entering into the interview, right? If you are giving any interview, within 5 minutes, the interviewer, select that if he wants to, shortlist that student, or if he don't want to shortlist that student, and the interview goes in that flow. If he has already, felt that, you are shortlisted, okay, then the interview will be going on the that flow. And if he felt that no, you are not that much capable, then interview will go into that. So these were just some examples, right, that I'm showing that, how much projects are important, right? How much projects are important. Right now, not just theoretical knowledge is not important. If you want to crack some good interviews, you need to, do something extra night. If you want to get a job of 11 LPO to 15 LPO or something, nobody is going to give you if you are not that industry ready. Correct? So everybody know about TCS Infosys, right? They are paying 3.5 to 4 LPA max. Why they are paying that much only? Right? The only issue is key, if a company is hiring you, like Infosys, TCS, they don't expect anything from you. They will train you for 1 year, right? They will train you from 1 year, 6 months and 1 year, and then they will help you to achieve to those level. So they are investing in you, right? They are investing in your resources. Now, if you're talking about something, if you're industry ready and if you can deliver from day one, any company can give you 11 to 15 LPA. Correct. So this is one thing that I'm telling, that very much important. If you are sitting in any interview, any big interview, right? What projects you have done. Correct. Anybody else can point me out that what are the important things to crack these interviews, to crack big interviews, big tech interviews. I just want to know from the audience. Like one thing I have pointed out about the projects. Big as in, the big MNCs, like any interview which ranges around 11 to 15 LPA, any software development interview. Harshini is saying DSA, okay. Like I know that major people are from third year, and you should know what it takes to crack these interviews. If you are not knowing that, then it's a serious condition, because now you don't have much time for that, right? So I'm expecting these answers from third year, that right, what all things you need to figure out and to crack these jobs. So Harshini has told DSA. I want more answers. DSA, problem solving and specific technologies. Thanks, Raja. Yeah. Thanks, Raja. Knowledge is one thing. Yeah. Need more answers. Like what do you feel like, technical skills is one part. Skills to Rohan is a projects and communication skills, soft skills, web designs, latest frameworks, aptitude reasonings. Thanks, Harshini. I guess only 3 or 4 people are answering. Kakil is saying communication skills, administration is saying full stack. Yeah. Problem solving skills and most important communication skills. Thank you, Sakib, for pointing that out. Full stack development admin saying. So full stack development is a technology, right? That is a separate different thing. But what are things you need to present to these interviewers? First is we got its technical skills, right? Then someone has pointed out the communication skills, right? Then someone else projects out projects, correct? And the communication is part that is important. Then it comes to mentorship also, right? More anybody has, so somebody has pointed out, I guess, DSA also. More people, what do you feel is the formula, yeah? Formula to crack these jobs, right? What it takes to cover these jobs. So confidence is one thing, right? So confidence, then we have patience. Okay, so all this comes in a your employability quotient thing: the patience, the confidence, the communication skills, the ease to learn, then it's practice, then it's strengths, then it's technical skills, planning, self motivation. That's great. Yeah, I love this audience. Like Rohan, the degree is one part that is important. Rai is saying everything depends on the skills. Definitely. But Raza has pointed out one more thing. That is good connections. Thanks, Raza, to point out. We'll talk about that also. So I guess we all here, we have, built some formula kind of thing where, leadership quality, Rohan has pointed out. Very, very good, Rohan. I guess now I'm feeling that, you all are guys serious about your career in that. Right, I've got really good answers like leadership qualities, then it's technical skills, then is learning skills, ease to learn, right? These are really good answers, and these are the major things you need to get, right? Because it's okay if you have technical skills, right? But what if you can't explain this to your team? Or let's say you have a foreign client, you have a foreign project, and you need to start telling them about the project. How will you handle that? Your technical skills are not of any use for them, right? It will go waste, correct? So we have listed on, yeah, presentation skills and problem solving skills are must, correct? So we have got that formula, right? So let's discuss all the points one by one, correct? So first is we got it technical content. Okay, nobody has pointed out, but I am saying technical content right now. I guess there are a lot of technical content available in the market, correct? Everybody will agree with me. Yes, no? Right, Sakib is saying yes, admin is saying yes, Annex is saying yes. Yes, right, lot of. But how many of you feel confused about what to refer? There are a lot of contents now that we are confused very much that what to refer and how to go in a hierarchy. Correct, the technical content is there, but some started from a very different level, some started from very basic level. How many of you feel this thing, right? There are a lot of technical content, but that's very tough to believe in one content and what is important and how to start with that, right now, if you want to start with DSA, correct? In DSA, if you search for DSA, there will be a lot of topics coming, right? That you want to learn sort, merge sort, bubble sort or something, or you want to do. But if you are not knowing about DSA, how will you know that what is important and what is not? Correct. So technical content is one of the most important thing that you need to have properly. Correct. In colleges, you are getting that. In colleges, you are building your foundation skills, but it is not sufficient enough, right? You also know that if you want to be industry ready right now in the market, you need to do a lot of things extra. You need to study a lot of technical content. Correct. So one of the, I guess, lot of people are agreeing on that technical content is one part that is very much important. Correct. Right now we are all here using Coursera and all the things, but we are very not sure that if we are able to crack it or not. correct? Then the second comes is instructors or mentors, right? We are all are studying in colleges. We have very good professors there, and they are doing their best, right? But the thing is, now in India, the colleges are going on a same path, right? They have a very strict policies about all the courses. They have fixed timelines about the courses, right? They have to take the exams on that part. They have to take theoretical exams. So instructors and mentors, they have to, do accordingly. Acha, I'm just giving you a situation. If a Microsoft guy is teaching you about, the software development thing, do you feel it will create a difference? If a person who has already cracked Google or Microsoft, if he is a SD2 or SD3, software developer in Google or Microsoft, if he is teaching you something, do you feel it will make a total difference in there? Right? A lot of people are saying yes. Because he knows what it takes to, enter into these companies. Correct? He knows what exactly you need to focus on, what topics you need to focus, what is the mindset of the interviewers right now who are taking the interviews, and what all things are going on in the company. Correct? So I guess a lot of people that agree with me that, yes, it will create a lot of difference if a mentor is itself from industry, right? He knows what it takes to enter into those industries. Correct? Then it comes to pedagogy. Pedagogy is, we say that, the style of teaching, right? If we are talking about DSA right now, correct? Let's say we are talking about DSA. In DSA, the major thing is problem solving. Correct? Everybody can know about, I guess everybody had heard about bubble sort or merge sort or everything, right? But when you get to the interviews, right? I have seen a lot of people going to the interviews. The problem is everybody is knowing the theoretical concepts of that, but when they sit in the interviews, right? And when the interview asks a simple question, right? How to optimize this problem? And the applicant gets stuck. So this is a very important thing. I guess 2 or 3 people have pointed out the problem solving skills, and DSA is one of the important thing that shows your problem solving skills. Correct? Any technology can come and go, right? But DSA is very much important thing. DSA, you will help to get the problem solvings, right? How to optimize the problems, how to solve the problems in very less time and with lot of less memory usage. Got it? So DSA is not all about the concepts, right? Or not all about the algorithm. It's about how is you are approaching that, how are you are solving the problem, how are you breaking down the problems. That is a very important thing, breaking down the problems. Step by steps, you have to solve all the problems. If you're not doing that, if you don't know that, then you can't crack any tech interview. Because this is a fundamental thing you should know. If you are in third year, if you are not aware of these things, it's a high time that you need to focus on these things, because in interviews, when you're sitting there, the interview will ask very simple questions, but you need to break down those problems and solve those. So this is a technique that you should know. So this comes in the pedagogy. Correct? Then it comes to practice. Now another questions: how many of we are using Geeks for Geek or Hacker Rank or something here? Code Chef, just put on the chat. Dilkush, Ginix, Sakib, Code War, okay. Chanakya Singh currently. Only few people, like I only get 10 to 20 responses, I guess. More people are coming. Okay. Code Mind, 200 plus in every platform. GFG read code. Okay. And how many of you have not heard about any coding platform till yet, and who wants to join these coding platforms? Just be open. No issues in that. How many of you have not heard about any coding platforms like Hacker Rank, Code Chef, or Geeks for Geek, or Lead Code, anything? I guess a lot of people are doing that Code Chef and Lead Code. Correct? How many of you are more than 4-star ranker, or have a very good rank in those coding platforms? How many of you have 4-star and above rank in Hacker Rank? If anybody is using Lead Code, what is the rank that going on Lead Code? not consistent. Hacker rank. So I get to know that you all are aware of this thing, but I don't know how many of you have practice a lot. So this is one thing, right? If you are a 4-star or more rank in hacker rank or in lead core or something, and if you are putting this in your resume, correct, and you are showing this to your interviewer, that will create a lot of impact, because this shows how much practice you have done in your time, right? How much practice you have done in the coding. And sometimes, if you are a 5-star or 6-star rank or hacker rank, they skip the coding round because they know that you know the coding very well. Now they will shift to problem solving skills, or they will shift to your communication skills and all the part. This is the impact of these coding platforms, correct? So this is one of the most important thing. This practice is very much important thing, correct? Then we comes to projects and industry. I have shown you some projects, right? I have shown you the projects of Zoomcar. I have shown you projects of Flipkart, right? The projects like this. How many of you have done any project like that or something like that? You have pushed on GitHub also. I guess you are in third year if you have done some projects, or any internships you have done. Any internship project you have done till now? No. Students from third year, have you done any internship till now? No internships. Okay, small vanilla JavaScript you have made. Many projects like tic-tac-toe. Okay. I guess now the answers get less, right? This is also a very important thing. If you have not done any project from your own side, if you have not done any internships, then it can be a really big issue in your journey to get your career, because this is one of the important thing. What projects you have done in your career, the practice is one thing, then to implement that, right? And to do some good level of project, you have posted into GitHub and all the things, that is also a very important part, right? Why I'm saying this, because nobody is going to give you more than 5 to 6 LP also if you are not that much of industry ready. Now the situation is like that only. We have all seen the layoffs currently, like there are a lot of layoffs from all the tech companies, big layoffs, correct? So now the competition is more high, right? The companies will select only students those are very much skilled, those have all the things in their checklist, correct? They don't want to compromise now, because they have very few like minimum resources to minimum money to give the resources, and they will select the top in that. If you want to get into those top lists, you need to follow all these things. Yeah, some are saying that you have done something for project certifications like Python. Okay, right? Sir, where we have to major focus to get job in Google or Microsoft, can we go? Right? All these things are, you have to focus, right? The practice thing, the project thing, the pedagogy, the instructor mentor, the technical content, everything you need to focus, right? We are listing down all the things that you need to focus, correct? Then it's called support slash danda, correct? I guess everybody will agree with me. When you all were in school, right, in 11th 12th class, and when our parents used to say that go study now, right, they used to constantly danda us up, tell us that go study, and then we get to study. But when we get to the college, right, and we suddenly stop studying because there is nobody to give us that danda and all, ki just go study, correct? How many of you feel that right now you are missing that danda? If there's danda is there, then you can go more, correct? Admin has raised his hand. More people. How many feel that thing, right? That support is one thing that is important. Your college professors are also supporting you. They are constantly saying you that do your homework, do your assignments and all the things. So support is also very important thing. Then we come to the soft skill part. I guess a lot of people have right now pointed out that presentation skills, correct, the communication skills, everything is very important. And that is important, because if you are working in a good MNC, a multinational company, you need to face the clients. You need to very much able to give your content, your skills, your code. You have to explain the code to the people, right? If I tell you that, explain this code to a non-coding guy who doesn't know anything about the coding, right? You need to be very confident on that how you will explain that this code, how will you explain that, how is it running, right? So soft skills are very much important. If you are not confident enough to speak till now to, in English, in confident English to your friends or something, then it will be causing you a trouble. Now, right now, especially for third year guys, you need to practice this thing. You need to practice your soft skills. You can we get a decent package without having so much knowledge in coding? It's tough, right? Then the final everything, if we got it, I guess one of you have pointed out that connections is also very important, right? Companies are very much important. Now, say you have got all the skills, right? But if you want to apply for these big companies, correct? What is the solution for that right now? You will go to LinkedIn, right? You will approach the HR. You will send your CVs to your those HRs. Like if you give messages to 100 HR, only I guess one or two will reply on that. That is the scene right now. If you are, if you think that we go for an offline method, for off-campus method, because in campus right now, very less companies are coming, right? What is the big company that is coming in your college for in campus placements that you feel that you can go in that, rather than TCS, Infosys, Wipro, that is okay, that are coming in every college. Any big company that is coming in your college right now? Amazon is coming. Okay. For software development role, Satya? See, the only thing is this session is for those who wants to, crack this kind of job. If you are very comfortable in, cracking a job of 3 to 5 LPA, if TCS, Wipro, Infosys, you can leave this session right now, right? I want only those students who have some dreams, who wants to, achieve those dreams with them. Right. So anybody who is targeting the job of 3 to 5 or something like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, you can leave this session. Right. So someone is saying Cisco, IBM, LinkedIn, next wave. Okay. Optimizer, Microsoft. Okay. And what is the package they are giving there? So we'll come to them. So there are minimum 3 to 4 rounds in there. But I just want to know that for which role they are coming, like Microsoft and Infosys, Microsoft and Amazon in there. OpenAI. Okay. They are coming in your campus to hire. OpenAI. I don't think so. SD role. Correct. And how many of you are confident right now that you can crack those jobs? Dilkush is saying you can crack Microsoft by yourself. Okay. 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 So I guess we have 100 plus students that have joined this. Do you feel like all 100 will be going into that companies? Like I guess Amazon will hire 3 to 4, or even Microsoft will hire 4 to 5 from your college. Correct? It will come around 10 to 15. What about others? Right? So you have felt that, right? This is a lot of competition right now going on. In your college itself, you have seen that, 100 people are very much serious about, getting these tech jobs, getting these high paying jobs. And it's a cutthroat competition right now in the market, right? In your college itself, if you're not able to do that, what will you do after that? Right? If you're not able to crack these jobs, what next? Because you also know that it's not, everybody like will be, Amazon is coming and is taking 30 people from your colleges. And seeing right now the layoff things and all, you need to be very much, practice in all these things, in soft skills, in projects, in instructors, technical content, pedagogy, everything. So if you are very sure that you can, by self you can crack all these jobs, then it's very great. If you can do it by own, right? We have discussed all the things, right? What all things are important, the projects, the practice, and all the things, correct? But if you feel that how many of you are feeling here that you need some guidance, some mentorship for this to crack these kind of jobs, right? A lot of people are saying yes, because it's very tough to uh, crack these jobs by your own. Correct. The roadmap, Sakib, I have told you the roadmap, right? The roadmap is simple. You need to be first practicing a lot on your coding skills that will be coming from your coding platforms like CodeShop and all. Then you need to make your own projects, right? And your own projects, like I've shown you some websites, you can build something like on Sudoku solver or something, right? These kind of projects you need to make, right? I will show you one Sudoku solver, one of our students have made, right? It will give you some idea like what type of projects people are making. Everybody can see my screen, right? Right. Everybody, I guess, has played some Sudoku till now, right? So this was made by one of our student, right? It's a Sudoku solver where you can manually input your things and it will solve your Sudoku. So how many of you feel like what is the thing? What is algorithm that is used in there to solve this Sudoku? Anybody knows like how he solved this? Backtracking. Yes. Pratik is saying backtracking. Yes. Great. See, so these are the use cases I'm saying, right? Everybody has studied about backtracking and all the things, but how many of you can implement this thing in a project, right? This will show, if you show this to your interviewer, right, it will create a different kind of impact. Everybody will come to him and say, yes, sir, we know DSA, we know backtracking, we know this thing, we know that thing. But if you have nothing to show, then it's a normal for them. But if you take this to your interviewer and say that, sir, I have made this project. This is based on backtracking. He will be completely, like on that, yeah, this trend is very great. And on that second itself, you have created that, impression of yours that, yeah, you are the one that they need to select you. Correct. And these are the things that you need to. So the roadmap I have told you, first you need to practice a lot on the coding practice. First you need to get, a lot of coding knowledge. Then you need to make some projects. If you can get an internship in any kind of tech companies, that will be great. Okay. Then you have to mix all these things, and then you need to prepare for the coding test also. The first round is the coding test in general for all the companies. Then you need to go for interview test and all and prepare for the interviews. This is the roadmap, right? But the only issue is here is, I know there are a lot of, like, we are 100 plus students here. 30-40 students are there. I can see where, you can do all these things by yourself, right? You have already started that. You are already at a level that you can start that. But I can feel that there are a lot of students right now here who have not started these things yet. Right? How many projects minimum needed for MNC? You can do a lot of projects. People are doing a lot of projects, but the project should have some level, right? It should create an impact. It should suddenly, give a feel that yes, yeah, this student have run really good. If you just make an HTML CSS website and show this to the company thing, then it will not work, right? You need to show something extra to these companies. So projects you can do infinite, but the project should be at that level that, the 1 or 2 projects itself create an impact. You can't show all the projects to the interviewer. You don't have that time. You have only 30-40 minutes to impress him. So you have to show your best project to them, right? So Sakib will come to that, right? So now whatever I was talking about, like, I know that out of 100 students, 30-40 students will be there that can do everything by themselves, right? But I feel that a lot of students are saying that you need some guidance in that, right? You need all the things you need, like, if you are not uh, if you are not able to crack these jobs in your campus, anybody who can support you after the campus also, right? You need some kind of insurance. because we have already invested 4 years, right? And we'll come to that how to start building projects as a beginner. Correct. So you need something, some insurance and kind of thing. So like there are a lot of platforms out there. I'm also explaining you one course that we are having for this thing. Okay, so the roadmap and all are complete, right? Now, how are we following this roadmap? Okay, how are we following for the from the basics? Cool. So I'm just showing you one of our course that we have started recently for the college students particularly. So we were in the domain majorly after the graduate students, but we have recently entered into the college. For the college students, we have recently launched a course, okay, where we our team is majorly from IIT Kanpur, right? And we started from 2019, and we have currently like 2000 plus companies with us. Okay, that those are majorly, and we train students on full stack development. So we'll quickly come to this course. We call this as a career accelerator program. Everybody can see my screen, right? This is called as career accelerator program, right? What we have, it's an India's first outcome driven course for college students, right? So there are a lot of courses right now for the college students, but this we have focused because we feel that, you know, right now till now the some companies are focusing more on IITs, right? And we majorly focus on skills. So we want to bring you those companies that belongs to your true potential, right? We believe that, you know, every student has a good potential to crack all those companies, but they are not getting a right platform for that. We know that you have those potential to crack a lot of companies, but we also know the conditions of the college right now, right? If we tell about, there's a 25% of decrement every year in a campus recruitment companies, correct? So this is an alarming thing. Now the companies don't want to come for campus recruitment because the only thing is they want the resources that are from ready from day one, right? There are no less jobs for the students, but the only thing is they want students to ready from day one itself, correct? So this is the thing. So we have launched this career register program for that, okay, where we will be teaching you all these things, the full stack development with the college, right? The classes will
జోకులు పెట్టేది షించా అది ప్రతి ఎపిసోడ్ జోకులే ఏమై కాపట్లే
So sorry guys, my light, am I audible to everyone? So sorry, actually my light has gone, so sorry. Yeah, so we were talking about one course, okay? The course where, you know, we will be helping you to achieve everything, right? We will be helping you to get an internship. We will be helping you to get a job also, and everything, like everything I have, you know, told you, the projects, the internships, the pedagogy we have, the technical content, everything we have. The mentors we have, as I told you, are from Microsoft or Google or something. So we all agreed that, you know, it will make a difference, and we know that it will make a difference. So that's why we have started this course, so that, you know, everybody can study this thing. And our mentors are generally from Google, Microsoft, and big companies, right? They know what it takes to enter into these industries. And imagine if they are teaching you, correct? And we have bring this to you. We have bring this platform to you, that they will be teaching you about these things. They will be teaching you software development. They will be teaching you full stack development in here. Correct. So yes, it's a paid course. Obviously, it's a paid course because the instructors' fees are that much high, right? What is our dream? What is our mission? Our mission is to get any college students to a software developer level of at least at average 10 LP to 10 LP CTC that you have seen. We want to get to you that median average salary level for a software developer. Anyone like it, nothing matters. You are from computer science students, but no matter what is the stream of the student, we are very confident that we can take you up to that level. If you are a computer science student, then we can take you to another level also, right? So this is our mission that we have started this course. Okay. uh, Correct. This is the formula I've told you. Right now, talking about the employability quotient that we were discussing, everything will be taken care by us, right? There will be mock rounds, there will be resume, LinkedIn, portfolio, GitHub, right? Your communication skills, everything will be taught by us. So everything that we have figured out with everyone, right? What all things are important: problem solving skills, then it's communication skills, then presentation skills, then interview skills, then the technical skills, everything will be taken care by us, right? Because we know what is important, what it takes to get into these industries. And we have already placed 2000 plus students, right, in just 3 years. And we got an average CTC of 7.5 LPA in that. And those students were those were not majorly were from non-BTech background. They were from diploma, they were from BCom backgrounds, they were from BA backgrounds and all these things. Aditya, I was saying that we already placed 2000 plus students till now. We have started in 2019, right? In just 3-4 years, we have already placed 2000 students with an average CTC of 7.5 LPA, right? And it's a big thing because getting a fresher a CTC of 5 LP or more is also a challenge. And they were not from a BTech background. They were from BA, BCom background and anything. Correct. So this shows how important, like how much strong is our curriculum. Correct. How much strong is our instructors. They have that goal that they wants to build every student to become a good software developer. They wants to make every student industry ready people. So this was our goal from starting, right? And so these all things we will be covering here, everything, the communication skills part and all the things, right? So coming to that, it's a 2-year program. Okay. So it's a full stack development only, Varun. This is properly a full stack development. So let me tell you the semester journey. Okay. So there will be 4 semesters there, right? The semester journey will be covering here itself. Okay. So let me tell you that. So there will be 4 semesters. Okay. Then semester 1 to semester 2, we will be teaching you coding plus DSA whole, right? So after semester 1, you will be getting online presence in all the top coding platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, what we have discussed. You will be 4-star, 5-star ranker in there, right? After semester 1 itself. Then coming to semester 1 to semester 2, you will be very much, efficient in DSA. So we'll be covering basic DSA to advanced DSA. Everything will be covered. I know you have, learned a DSA already, but when you come to us, right, the industry demands of DSA is very different, right? That I was told that how you solve the problems, how you optimize the problems, how you optimizing the code, that is very much important thing. So that we teach you here, how you are breaking down the problem and solving that, right? And after 1 year you will be getting an internships opportunity. We have companies that can pay you 30,000 40,000 also per month. Correct. So it depends on you how much you can crack. Then coming to semester 3, we will be covering you whole full stack development. In full stack development, we are focusing on one stack. If you have, I don't know, heard about it, it's MongoDB, React.js, Node.js, ExpressDB, everything, right? So, and it's a subset of full stack. So you can be a backend developer, you can be a full stack front end developer, you can be a software developer. If you are a full stack developer, everything covers in that, right? We will be covering the system design part also there. So everything will be there. Full stack development mein everything will be there. So after semester 3, you will be becoming a full stack developer. Okay. Then in semester 4, we will be teaching you a specialization, and that will be elective for you. It can be a blockchain, it can be on product management, it can be on AI, ML, everything. That specialization is there for you. You can elect that, and then we will be preparing you for the interviews. Got it? So this is the semester journey. This is the whole semester journey. If you are in first year or second year, then it will go like that. Okay. There can be some extra semesters for you as a revision modules. Okay. But the basic semester structure is this. So if you are in first year and second year and third year, this is more courses for first year, second year, third year. Third year also can do this. Okay. Because you will be graduating in, I guess, 1.5 years or something. Correct. So this is a career insurance kind of program for you. Correct. So I know that some of you can crack the interviews from the campus itself, but if some of you believe that you need some more time and you are not able to, you are not confident enough that you can crack good interview opportunities in campus, then you should take this course because it's an insurance for you. Correct. We will be teaching you all the things, but if you are confident enough that you can do this by your own, you can crack those companies, then you are very welcome, and it's very good that you can do that. Correct. So this is the whole semester journey I have talked about. Correct. And so one thing I was also pointing out, right? Your starting salary is very much important. Correct. So now I guess everybody has a dream, right? Everybody wants to go at dream companies. But from my personal experience, I have felt that, when companies actually started to come, right? We'll come to how many hours are training every day, right? We'll come to that part, just saying that. So when the companies actually started to come, right? We are at the position that we compromise. Okay, because everybody here right now, everybody has some different financial situation in their home, and everybody has a pressure from their family that they want to get a job. Correct. Everybody has a dream, but everybody can't follow that. Then the people compromise with that. Right now, any job of 3 LPA, 4 LPA, anything you will get. But I will tell you the difference, what it takes, right? Let's say if you are starting a journey with a 3 LPA job, and if you are starting your journey with a 7.5 to 8 LPA job. So now the gap is only 4 LPA, right? It's manageable. But now if you see a journey of 2 years, correct? In 2 years, a 7.5 LPA job will go to 15 LPA, and a 3 LPA job will go to 5 LPA. So now the difference is 10 LPA. Correct. So this makes a difference. In just 2 years, the difference it will keep increasing, and it's very, very hard to intersect at some time. So that is why your starting job is very important. I know everyone is prepared for big jobs, but everybody will not be getting that, and you should not compromise for that also, because I know that there will be a lot of potential in your guys, and I don't want to waste your potential in some companies that are paying very low according to your potential. So you should realize your potential, true potential. If you need some time, we are here for you, right? And if you're confident enough that in this lesser time you can crack all the companies coming to your campus, then it's really appreciated. But if not, then you should do something for that. I'm not saying you should take this course, but you should do something for that. But you should not compromise with you. Right. So coming to the training hours and all, so we will have 2 classes, live classes. Okay. We'll give you that thing also, the course timings and all. Okay. So there will be 2 live classes there. One on Wednesday, one on Saturday. It will be on 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. Then there will be some, the Sunday will be holiday. On Monday to Friday, there will be 2 or 3 days where there will be doubt discussion sessions. Right, there will be live doubt discussions where you need to discuss about all the problems that you have faced in assignments and all the things. But the main live classes will be on Wednesday and Saturday only. Right. So let me tell you the semester structure. There will be 4 semesters, right? 6 month semesters, and everything will be covered in that. So Wednesday and Saturday there will be classes 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sunday holiday, and there will be doubt discussion classes also. There will be communication skills class also in there, right? Where we'll be helping you to fluency in English and how to improve your presentation skills and all the things. Correct? Everything will be there. Pushpendu will come to the fees, right? So it's not a free course, obviously, because we are giving a lot of efforts in that. So why career research program? I have told you everything, right? You will be getting a specialization, right? There will be holistic development through communication skills and all. Jobs in tech companies will help you that, because we have 2000 plus companies with us, right? So we'll help you to get those jobs. You don't have to worry about that. The major important thing is there is nothing to lose, Right now, if we are not able to get you a job of 5 LP or more, that we feel like if we are getting you are 2 years, then 5 LP is the bare minimum that we are offering. If we are not able to get you a 5 LP job, 100% fees will be refunded. Correct. And then the teachers are from industry leaders. They're from Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, right? Industry ready projects will help you there. Everything will be covered by us. You need to just, be with us. You need to work with us. You need to work hard for us, right? We don't have any magic band with us, right? That we just give some tantra and you get a job of 10 LP or 15 LP or something. 5 LP job is very tough here. It's not that easy because fresher getting a 5 LP job, company needs total industry ready people. You can ask any senior of yours. 5 LP job is also a very tough thing. Correct? So now I've told you about everything. This is a poet course. We'll come to the fees, but till now everybody is with me. How many of you feel that this course can be an important thing for them and this can be a life-changing course for them? Pushpendu is saying yes. We'll discuss about the fees later, but how many of you feel that this can be really useful course for you because you are not now that much prepared for your campus interviews? Correct. Course timing I've already told you, right? Everything is mentioned there. Anyone who feels like this can be a life-changing course for you? 2 years is too long. Is there in short course? See, the only thing is in short courses we can't make you that much industry ready, right? We have some courses for 6 to 8 months also, but in that thing you can't do that with the college. It's very tough. So why we have made this time so that you can do this thing. Correct. So now coming to the course fees, I guess you have some classes in the next. Coming to the course fees, it's 72,000 in 2 years. Okay, we'll give you that thing. So it's 3,000 rupees for 24 months. That comes around 72,000 in 2 years. Okay, and the major chunk we will be giving you is after placement. Like when you are able to earn around 80,000, 90,000 per month, you need to just give us in 2 years 8,000, 9,000. But the major investment here is in 2 years only 72,000. I know this course is little bit high on higher part, but the things we are offering are very much like 100% refund is a like I guess a lot of companies are saying that, but everybody doesn't give that. We will give you in this return, right? So this is the course fees right now for you all guys. Okay, and if anybody is interested, please can you give the interest form link? So this is the interest form link. Okay, we'll reach out to you. Just fill this form. Okay, we have a trial period class also. It's a 15 days trial. Okay, and the registration fees is only 3,000 in that. Okay, if you're registering for that, right? If you feel that this course is important, then we'll move forward. If you feel that no, this course is not up to that level, then you can refund that. So I will suggest you all to, if you have some doubts regarding that, you can join our trial period. Okay, and in trial period you can decide you want to continue or not. Trial period is completely refundable. If you feel that you want a refund, then you can take the back. Cool. Any more doubts you have regarding this course or regarding the roadmap about the software development, anything? You can ask me right now. You can unmute yourself and ask, or you can fill this form. I guess form details are there. You can fill this form. Okay. Our team will reach out to you and we can figure out on the money part, right? But the important thing is you need to be, you should not compromise with your jobs and true potential. That is the only thing, right? So I guess we can end this session. Just if you have some doubts, you can ask me, or you can fill the form and we'll cover it. Okay guys, I guess that's it from my side. Thanks a lot for joining. I hope like it's really good session for all you guys. You have got some information in that. Okay, thanks Aditya, thanks Akib, and we'll see you in trial classes if you register for that. Okay, okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, people. Thanks, Pushpendu.